Today I'm going to be teaching you how to fold a Flasher Deluxe, but it's with an 8x8 grid. So this is 16x16 grid one. I'm not going to teach that, but I am going to teach you this one today. So you need a paper, 2 pencils. You might not need the pencils, but start by folding 2 different colors actually. So I'm using a pen and a red marker. So start by making your paper into a square. Just gonna make it in a square really quickly. So I'm not gonna show you how to do this. I'm sure you already know how to make it into a square. Stick crease really sharp. You can tear or you can just cut. I'm tearing. So now you got your square sheet of paper. Throw this away. So you're gonna make an 8x8 grid. So you're gonna make like a grid. So fold your paper in half. Unfold. Fold this edge to the middle crease. Do the same with the other side. So now you got this. So now you're gonna, you see this edge? It can fly out like that. So just fold it up to there, so it looks like this. I'll show you after I'm done. Sorry if my hand's blocking. So it looks like this. And then do the same with this edge. So when you're done all of that, it looks like this. So now I'm gonna turn it around and fold this up so it touches there. So I'll show you once again. So you see this side, so you turn it around, and then this edge, just fold it to the middle. So do the same with this edge. So, and then just like you see over here, just fold in half on the crease. So now you made an 8x8 grid. You're gonna make it on the other side too. So fold it in half. Unfold, fold both the edges to the middle crease. So and then fold up on them once again. Do the same with this side. So now you're almost done of making the grid. So turn it around and then fold up on it. Fold up on it. So when you fold it up on both, flip it up, and you got yourself an 8x8 grid. So you see you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So count these both strips. You should have 8 squares in these two, which are same as these. So now you are gonna make, fold it in half diagonally, crease, fold it in half diagonally again. So now you've got this, fold all of the corners into the middle. So you make it into envelope thing. So after you're done that, all of that, you unfold, fold this corner to the edge you just folded. Do it with all other sides. Okay. Now unfold, 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 unfold. So you see this line over here? You're gonna fold this. Wait, I'll first fold it and then I'll show you. So I'm gonna fold it and then I'll show you, okay? Actually, I'm gonna flip it over. So you see this side? This line over here, you're just gonna fold this one to that line. With all the other ones. So fold this point to touch that line. So we're gonna fold it to that line. So fold it to that line. Or you can just there's 2 units. There's just 2 units so you know where. So do it with all, so leave 2 units over here, 2 units. So leave 2 units. Last one for here, leave 2 units, 1, 2. So do not leave 1, just go down 1 and you have 2 units. Or you can do the other way, I showed you already. So you got another 8x8 grid diagonal, but you're going to want to do 16 by 16 grid diagonal. So you see this bottom, flip it over and you see this bottom. So it's a mountain, right? So fold up this edge up so it touches this crease, and then pinch the mountain up and then fold it so it touches that crease. And then keep going, pinch it up so it reaches that crease, pinch up that mountain, and then stand it to that crease. So now do it with this side. So fold this up to that line, the closest line, and pinch up to the closest line. Pinch up on the crease that we already made. Fold the closest line, pinch up, and then fold the closest line. So now you got both of them. You just kind of flip it over. So crease, that line's already creased. So you have this kind of butterfly thingy. So unfold, and now you have a 16. So now you're gonna do it with this side. So remember the ace we folded? Flip it over, fold it up just like I showed you before. Pinch up, fold it up, pinch up to the nearest crease, fold it up, and then pinch up to the nearest, pinch up, and then fold to the nearest crease, which is the middle. So keep folding until the middle. So fold up, starting. So fold up, pinch up, going up there. So pinch up, pushing it up there. Pinch up, pushing it to the middle. So pushing it to the middle. So now you have something like teeth, and then you fold up like that. So they look like teeth, but if you want to keep it like that, you can. But now here you can look closely then what grid, like on our 8x8 grid, so this is one square, there's X's in each one, so this will just make it easier for the creases. So now I'm gonna make it easier to find the middle for you. So fold it in half like this one more time, and then fold it in half like this too. So, and then when you got that, you can find the middle. The middle, put the dot right over here. So now we're gonna turn it like this. So go one, oh sorry. So you have to go, oh sorry, I'm just gonna use my red marker because this is gonna be the first. So up over here, like that, and then you go like this, and then you go like that. So this is 1 unit, 2 unit, up, down. I mean down, up. So, and then you are going to go down like this, and then do the same with this side. And then you're gonna go up like this, and then up like that, and then to the side like that. So, and then after that, go down. Sorry, I messed up on this side. So just go up, and then do the up, and then down, up, down, up, and then go to the side, go to the side, and then go down, up, and then go side this way, and then up, and then side this way, and then up. Sorry, you can just flip it over if you followed that mess up. So it's like this. So now you're gonna go out 1, and then 1, and then 2, and then 1, and then down. So you're gonna do the same with this. 1, and a 2, and a 1, and a down. So now you're gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down to the last part. So you got that. So over here, you got here, and then up, down, sorry, down, up, down. So it should look like this. Sorry, I messed up on the other side. You can just flip it over and then do this side. So now you're gonna get your pen, and then you find over here, you see over here, you're gonna go down, and then when you see this line, like that, keep on going, and then when you go side and then down to this, keep on going like that, up, down, and then side, up, down, up, down, up. So now we're gonna turn it and then find that part. So down, side, down, side, down, side, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, see you finish your drawing. So now the red ones are gonna be mountains. So pinch up on them, and these ones are gonna be valleys. So just work on the mountains, and then pinch down if the valleys start coming to work. So keep on going with the mountains and valleys. So when you get over here, pinch one mountain, and over here will be kind of tricky stuff. You're gonna have to insert. This goes in. It won't want to go in, but you just have to make it go in so it looks like that. So when you're done all the valleys, after that mountain, it will be valleys, and then the red will be mountains. So just find all of mountains, and then so you have this. So now make the valleys are the pen and the mountains are the red lines. So just keep on pinching mountain, valley, and then so push up on them, and then mountain, mountain, mountain. So you pinched on your mountains, so now let's work on our valleys. So valley, valley, and push in. So this is kind of hard model, so don't be sad if you cannot get it, if it's too hard. Just try something easier. So after you're done all the mountains and valleys, so you pinch down on that, and then it's like this so far, not that bad. So, and then keep pinching along the creases until all the creases are pinched. So pinch on the middle one too. And now let's pinch on the valleys over here. So valleys, valley. Sorry, it keeps falling. So valleys, valleys. So now you finish pinching everything. So now you see these on the mountains, you're gonna sink it so it looks like that. So just push down like that on them. And then push down on this one. Down on this one. Down on this one. And lastly, down on this one. So now you're going to push down on the second one, like this one. And this one. And now you finished the pinching. So now you're going to push together. It's really simple, you just have to find the middle and then look for over here and then push everything in. First, I like to do the corners first. It's easier, so just pushing on the corners. And then when you're pushing it all in together, you're gonna see it form a shape like this. So you gotta find the middle when you're done pushing it together. So push it up, keep on pushing. It's like normal flashers, but just with zigs. So now that we saw our middle's right up. So the middle is right over here. So just use your finger and then spin it around. So, and then you see the middle. Try to form the middle shape. Keep on trying. So push it all together. Go do not go gentle with it. I mean, go kind of gentle, because if you go too less gentle, it will not go. But if you go too hard, it might rip. So keep trying to push that all in together. And now you're pretty much done. You just have to squash in the middle. And then this is your 8x8 grid Flasher Deluxe. But I'm not done yet. Because you see it's so kind of hard and hard to push in. So I recommend get a rubber band, tie it around your flasher, dunk it in water, let it out to dry. So, and then when that is done, it's gonna spring back. It's gonna be easier to push in because it'll push in itself. Or like this Flasher Deluxe, which is really hard. So, thank you for watching my Flasher Deluxe. I'll see you in my next video. If this video is too long, I'm sorry, but bye.